Yesterday we were contacted by a company which have pallet trucks which are electric, and they had an accident with one of the trucks and a battery got damaged and stopped working. Since it was not lithium-ion but live before and there were no obvious damages to the case, we decided to take it in and have a look at it. My staff has unscrewed the screws but no one has opened it yet. And it's for a small pallet truck and it has just one battery. But here we have two modules and a spring. Let's not lose that. I don't recall what they are called. They look a lot like Rosenberger magnetic connectors. This might be an unmagnetic Rosenberger because it looks very similar, but it could be any brand, it doesn't say anywhere. This battery is Huafu lithium-ion battery, 24 volt. Here we have the discharging port, also 2 big pin and 4 small. No, it's actually 6 small, but the 5 and 6 are not drilled out. And it says YLS 30 to 110 amps, 5 to 18 volts. Oh, it also says YLS up here. YLS connector. Here they had electronics. Seems to be a connection plate, and and it has LiPo cells, not cylindrical cells. Why is it split up into 2? Here we have fuses for charging and discharging with different thick wires. And the BMS seems to be able to support 2 individual batteries, merging them into one. The only time I've actually seen this design is in old Panasonic batteries. They were also using not LiPo 4 but their own chemistry in LiPo cases and building 2 batteries into one with one BMS to handle them both. I can't see any on-off switch or something like that. Maybe it needs to turn on by the machine. So this one is probably glued in. There really isn't much we can do. We can check the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a temp sensor. Let's see if we want to charge. What is this? Oh, don't pull the cable out by the cable. You should use the handle. Cute. What is this? Why? Why do they have this? Maybe so they can I don't know why you usually connect this one to the outlet here. I don't know. Port 1. Are there any LEDs? Yeah. Green, full, red charging. Oh, and we have an LED light up. And it doesn't want to charge, nothing. But a green LED lit up and a blue LED, and now it's charging. It took a few seconds. 26.3 volts, so about 50% charge. And there is a big click like loading up a transformer. Which component does that? Let's check the port while it's charging. Since we don't have the actual machine to test if it can discharge, I don't want to connect any load to it, but you can measure the voltage in the discharging port and then the battery, and if it's exactly the same on the millivolt, then the battery is turned on. But here it's 18.73, so it's turned off for discharging, most likely needing a UART connection here with the device to start up. But we actually got the full voltage when it was charging, so maybe this one just needs a charge. Maybe they forgot how the charger worked, or the BMS just needed a small rest after the incident. But anyway, there is nothing we can do with this smart BMS when you don't have the diagnostic software or spare parts.